So this video is going to introduce you to Optiflow and Airvo. Both provide humidified high flow oxygen. The biggest difference being that Optiflow requires piped air, whereas Airvo will entrain air from the environment. So it's easier for use on the wards that don't have piped air as an option. This is going to go through setting up an Optiflow for you. So you need to make sure that you've got both piped oxygen and air to be able to run an Optiflow. So get those plugged in. So the equipment that we've got on the table is everything that you should need to be able to set this up. So we've got the Optiflow circuit, which comes with everything it requires in the bag. You'll need temperature wires for your humidifier, a bag of sterile water, again for the humidifier, some green oxygen tubing to connect the oxygen into the Optiflow circuit, and then we've got our prongs. Each of these prongs comes with a maximum flow written on the back of them. So if you look at the back, it will tell you the maximum flow that you can deliver through these, and assess the size of your child's nostrils depending on which size prongs you would need. To set it up, you're going to take the humidifier chamber, push down the blue bar at the front and slide your humidifier chamber in. You're going to take the flow limiter, pop that on one side of the humidifier chamber. Take the circuit that's going to provide the flow to your patient and put that on the other side. Going to require temperature wires to be able to control the humidification for the circuit, and these come in two wires. The yellow one connects to the yellow section, just twist slightly until it slides in, and then this one attaches to the back of the patient flow circuit, and then the blue wire into the blue connector. First connector goes into the side. There's a small triangle that shows you where to line it up to. And then the top one comes up to the top of the circuit. This is where your prongs will attach, so please pick a set of prongs that are appropriately sized for your patient, and they just click in. When we're ready to go, we would then attach the water onto the humidification chamber. Take green oxygen tubing from the flow limiter to your flow meter. We're going to set the flow appropriate to the level decided for your patient, and that is determined by a guideline on the PEER website, and then your oxygen is determined by the dial on the front. Set that again to an appropriate level for the oxygen requirement your patient has. So we'll attach the water to the humidification chamber. The spike just pulls out, and then obviously you're going to take it off and attach your water in to be able to provide water into the unit. When you turn on the humidifier, please make sure that it's set to the invasive mode. This will make sure that the temperature goes to 37 degrees, which is what it should be for Optiflow humidification. When placing the nasal prongs on, if you pop them into the nostrils and then angle the sticky pads slightly upwards, it makes sure that they stay in the nostrils better.